Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Garmin DriveSmart 55 for the first time. So in order to actually power it up, you will need to press this button at the back, just like that, till you see this sign. Now let me zoom in for you. And here we can begin setting up the device. So select locale. You'll need to choose your region here, and I live in Poland, but I'm gonna choose United Kingdom just for the language right now. So I press OK. Here you have the user license agreement. You should read that, and if you agree with it, press accept all. Now connect to the Garmin Drive mobile app to access additional features for your Garmin DriveSmart 55. You can connect now, which I'm gonna skip now, and just show you those functions in the future video. Just skip. Here you should connect to the Wi-Fi, and let me just do that. And here you have another agreement to do constant to Garmin collecting, using and sharing your device data. You can press yes. Here you can register your product, which I'm gonna skip. You can do it. It's basically just enter your email address, and just click that if you want offers and promotions to be received on your email. Let me skip that. Agree. And your device is set up and should be ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.